This video is about how to make FPV goggles in 100 rupees. The main component of these goggles is this Fresnel lens, which you get for 100 rupees. This is easily available on Amazon and Flipkart. Next, I have taken a cardboard piece and cut it into the shape of a FPV goggle. I have factored in certain design considerations. First, to insert the mobile, the mechanism which I am using is a flip door. So from here you flip open and insert the mobile here, that is at this location. To hold the mobile in its place, I am using a simple mechanism of a popsicle being inserted, and once it's inserted it will hold the mobile in its place. Now this is an analog receiver which I've got, which I use for the analog transmitter systems. So this cable can go in through here, and the door gets closed. This cable can also be replaced with this cable for using DJI drones. This is nothing but a Type C to Type C cable with a micro USB connector, since the phone which I use with my DJI drone is having a micro USB connector. So this gets inserted here, and with this much length of cable I am easily able to connect my remote and easily fly. For comfort, I have inserted these foam pads. This can be easily replaced with anything more comfortable as per requirement. For adjusting as per your head size, this elastic band which I had from an older goggle can be used. Well, I'll now show you how to connect the remote with the mobile using this cable and inserting the mobile into this makeshift FPV goggles for using in close formation flights. Step 1 is to remove this cable which comes with the remote. Then connect this cable which I just showed, Type C. It has to be a data cable. And then I have purchased this OTG connector which will get inserted into the mobile slot. Next, switch on the remote. And switch on the DJI app. The main thing is that you should get this symbol after connecting the cable. This symbol means that now the remote is connected to this. Once this connection is done, we simply have to connect with the remote with our aircraft, then insert it as I'll just show. Insert the mobile like this, then using the popsicle, hold the mobile in its place like so, and just simply close the hatch. The cable gets inserted here. The final result is this. I'll show you how it will be visible through the VR goggles. Well, this is the setup and you can easily make it yourself for 100 bucks. All the best.